Hello guys, welcome. Here's another question before us under linear momentum. A force of 200 Newton acts between two objects, underline that, at a certain distance apart. Exactly. The value of the force, underline that force, when the distance is halved is, so that's the question. What will become the new value of the force, which will become F2 when the distance is halved? Solution. Let's extract the parameters. Are we together? You observe that we have two objects here. Therefore, we're going to have M1 and M2 as our objects. I hope that is clear. Invariably, we have F1 and F2. Okay, then we're going to have R1 and R2 also. So F1 is given to us to be 200 Newton. Is that clear? Then, by observation, you realize that this question is under Newton's law of universal gravitation. Is that clear? So let the two objects be M1 and M2. Is that clear? Yes. Then, solving further by extracting the parameters, you now realize that these, like I said earlier, is under Newton's law of universal gravitation. Is that clear? When you have two bodies attracted by a force, then F will now equal what? G M1 M2 over R squared. I hope this is clear. This is from Newton's law of universal gravitation. Hence, looking at that equation or that formula, you see that F is inversely proportional to the square of their distance. Can you see that? F is now inversely proportional. Let's circle that. Yes, inversely proportional to the square of their distance apart. I hope this is clear to you. Hence, we are going to have F is equal to K all over R squared. Is that clear? That means force is inversely proportional to the square of their distance. Let's make K a constant, the subject of formula. Is that clear? Then we know that K will now equal F multiplied by R squared. I hope this is clear. Then what about if we equate K to K? That is K is equal to K. Hence F1 R1 squared is equal to F2 R2 squared. Is that clear? We want to solve this together. Let's label this as equation 1. Then F1 is equal to 200 Newton. Is that clear? R1 is equal to R from the equation. Then F2 is equal to question mark unknown. Then R2 is halved. It becomes R over 2. Is that clear? R multiplied by 1 over 2 will give you R over 2. Since the distance, okay, is halved, is that clear? Which is why we're having R over 2 as R2. I hope that is clear. Then F1 R1 squared will now equal F2 R2 squared. Substituting 200 R squared will now equal F2 into R over 2 squared. Is that clear? Then, solving further, we know that 200 R squared will equal F2 R squared over 4. Is that clear? Cancel R squared at both sides. Then you have 200 is equal to F2 over 4. Then we can cross multiply from here so that we can make F2 the subject of the formula. Hence, F2 is equal to 200 multiplied by 4. And 200 multiplied by 4 will give you what? F2 is equal to 800 Newton. I hope this is clear. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.